Based on the Galileo's ideas, Newton mentioned three laws, which we are calling them as Newton's laws. So he has given three laws based on the Galileo's ideas, which are the foundations of the mechanics. First law of the motion. Newton's first law of motion tells every body it continues to be in state of rest or uniform motion in a straight line. If it is rest, it will remain in rest. If it is moving in a straight line with uniform motion, it keeps on moving. So if it is rest, it remains in rest. If it is moving in straight line with uniform motion, it will keep on moving in straight line unless we apply some force. So when an object is in rest, it will not move unless we apply the force. An object which is in motion in straight line, which is in uniform motion in straight line, it will not come to rest unless we apply the force. That is the Newton's first law of motion. In the Newton's second law of motion, when the object is in rest, some force is required to move it. If we take that force as F, with what acceleration it is moving, if that acceleration is A, then F is directly proportional to A. So F is equal to ma. This is Newton's second law. Now what is Newton's third law? Every action has its equal and opposite reaction. So if we take what is that action? Action means here we are telling action is nothing but it is force. So every force has its equal and opposite force. Example, we take A is exerting force on B. Example, the force on A by B is given as FAB. And similarly, the force on B by A is given as FBA. So FAB is equal to minus FBA. Means FAB and FBA are equal, only the difference is exactly in opposite direction. The force on A by B is exactly in opposite direction to the force on B by A. This is the Newton's third law of the motion.